So, after work Friday, came in this morning, had no power, and my belt shredded. I actually just put it back on. It's actually half the width. But the belt shredded, it was laying down there, and of course I don't have one in stock, so I'm just going to put half of it on to get me home. And I'm a little pissed off because I had the other half. Dog's waiting for her bone, by the way. I had the other half, and I put it down somewhere, and I was going to match it up with belts I do have that, who knows, might work, right? So this is what happens over here when you have all this crap. You lose stuff. And it rattles my cage because I want to go home. I want to take my shoes off. I want to sit down. I want to have dinner. I want to see my family. And I'm stuck here because I cannot find the belt. A lot going on. Sold the Challenger, that's going. Sold the pink truck, that's gone. Sold the drag G-body, that's gone. BMW E36 track day car is up for grabs. Finally finished. The Nova, I have someone very seriously interested in buying it, so that might leave. We finished the Cosworth project I bought off of eBay, and this is for anybody who is following up on my car videos I post. So anyway, this is like my 4th or 5th Cosworth. I'm collecting these. I see value in them at some point in time. That track day car is going to get completed when this track car is done in the back. Picked up this cool ass 56 Caddy Coupe de Ville. Clean, solid, no rust. There's the legend. Oh well, it is what it is. But anyway, look at this bad boy. I'm gonna love cruising this. Just gotta figure out a few issues it has. But I'm back here trying to find the belt. And by the way, I don't even know if I posted a video about this, honey. But holy crap, it is an unused Myford Super 7. 1999 induction hardened bedways, right? Crossfeed, power crossfeed, and a quick change box. Now, to a small few people, this is going to mean a lot, and they're going to be in awe of this beautiful piece of artwork. To most people, you don't give a rat's ass, and you're probably changing the channel. But anyway, it is what it is. I've only seen 3 Myfords on eBay in my life. Here's half of one. Here's the other. And here's the other. This is an ML7, a little small machine. Original paint, I might add. And then the other half of that one is back here because I painstakingly bought this one, which is beaten. And I was bringing this back with the quick change box to power crossfeed. And like everything else in life, I found one done and spent a lot of money and time trying to do that. But regardless, I'm following through. I'm completing this machine. I'm not selling my Myfords at all. I will, however, sell the bed, the carriage, and I can't give up this bench. I just love this little piece of artwork. Nice custom old wooden bench from the 50s. So that's the Myford story. And, you know, of course, we have the closing stories. Yeah, I am moving closer and closer to the day. Look at this 8-inch Junior. Oh, honey. And, of course, my beloved 10K. So I'm moving closer to getting my machinery. I mean, my machines are in storage right now. They're all in storage. And they are pieces of artwork that I adore and love. And I started buying and selling, for those of you who haven't heard the story. And I made enough money to kind of own all these machines without being out of pocket. That was my secret. To buy and sell, make a little profit, and then put it back in the machines, or find the really good deals and keep them. And that's what I've done. Nobody needs a collection of machines like this for use. It's just, you wouldn't do this. The fact of the matter is, if I ever need to use a lathe, I use this big old do-all. Works like a champ, does everything we need to do. And if I need to do something small, I use the ML10. And milling-wise, I use the Bridgeport for everything. But it's, again, you know, once a month I fire a machine up. But I don't own them for usage. I owe them because I love them. South Bend, heavy 10. Anyway, I'm babbling now, and I forgot where that damn belt is. So at this juncture, I'm driving the car home. And what kind of message can you get out of this video? I don't want you to shut it off and say, what the hell did I listen to that fucktard for? And this dog. I let it outside. It came in and pissed right there on the floor. You save a dog's life, and this is what it does to you. It pisses on your floor. All right, it is what it is. Anyway, so I guess the high point of this video is catching up on the car stories and showing off the old Myford. And there was a video about my E55 a while back after doing some work to it and tuning it and camshafts, and I'm just going to be honest with everybody out there. The perfect E55 is a bone stock E55 with a Kleeman Stage 2 kit. It was perfect. I didn't have to go crazy with all this stuff. This is more broody of a car. And if you're looking to shave tents, you're going to. But that Kleeman Stage 2 car I had before this, which is currently for sale, if anybody's interested, with 180,000 miles on it, is the perfect combination because it doesn't overpower the vehicle, you know. But if you're going to the racetrack and looking for time slips, go with everything because you're going to see a difference. But the reality is, for everyday driving and going as fast as you'll need to go on the street, Kleeman Stage 2, you know, stock E55, you're talking about an 11-second car. Well, 12-second, low 12s. You might click a 1190 off on the perfect day, you know. So I rambled enough. I wasted enough. I got to get my fat ass on that bike. I'm waiting on handlebars because when you get old and have back and neck problems, you can't sit hunched over. It's uncomfortable and it doesn't work. So what I did was I ordered some ape hangers. So I'm going to look like a goofy dumbass riding this bike. But you know what? I don't care. I just don't give a shit what people think. I'm sorry. I really don't. But, yeah, I know. Shut up and show me the Myford. Damn it. That's what you're saying. What a piece of artwork. The machine that can duplicate itself. People don't realize how significant a lathe is to society. I wish people knew the ability of this machine with the right man. Not me, but the right man behind it. I am no machinist, but you know what? I know a damn good thing when I see it. Anyway, all right, so I hope you enjoyed the bullshit. I'm leaving with half a belt. Going home. Oh, check out the new parts washer. While we're rambling, and if anybody's left watching, check this out. Bam! That is a honey of a parts washer. Honey of a parts washer. You know, it's a damn shame that my business is somewhat going to shit. Not my business, but the automotive business in particular in New York is and probably Jersey and most of the coastlines is really going to shit. Oh, you're going to ignore me? What? Come here. What did you do? Really? Come here. What's this? Come here. What's this? What did you do? Yes, you know what you did. You shit on the floor. Bad dog. Bad dog. How about you pick it up? That would impress me. If you could pick it up and do something with it. But anyway, this is what I get. I get shit on. Oh, and what's back there? Oh, I guess the guys lifted up my truck and... Oh, I'm a dick. There's no shit there. I just thought it was. Oh, well. It is what it is. All right. 11,000 it sold. Call and buy it. Never selling the CUDA. Never. I forgot what I was rambling about, but you know what? I've been here since 7 o'clock, and I'm done. I'm just done for the day. I have to pick up shit now. Tomorrow's the cleanup day. I know the place is filthy, but it'll look nice tomorrow. All right, for anybody who actually listened to this whole rambling bullshit video, I commend you. You're a very tolerant person. So, Enjoy.